a look at some updated features in Google Meet. Inside the meeting, at the bottom right of the screen in the More Options menu is also the same option to use a phone for audio that you can turn on at any time. You have the choice to have it call you and answer for your audio or dial in. In the More Options menu at the bottom right, you can choose to click into your settings. This will help you adjust the audio choice for microphone and speakers, or here in the video option, you can lower your bandwidth down to audio only, which might be helpful if you're a remote worker now working on a lower internet connection from home.
Looking to learn more? Visit us at onyxnet.com or email us at marketing@onyxnet.com.